buy Dedan Kimathi University coffee, you tear. Once you tear, then you smell the freshly roasted ground coffee. It has a very good aroma, pleasing, and it makes you first of all fall in love with our coffee. Then you're going to follow these instructions that are indicated on the package. 1 cup of water to allow it to boil. So after it boils, you're going to add, for 1 cup of water, as we said, we are going to add 1 level tablespoon, and then we allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we are going to simmer it in our cup. It's a simple procedure for those people who don't have the brewing equipment, and you're going to enjoy the same cup of coffee like somebody who has brewing equipment. So once the water boils, you switch off the flame. Then after you switch off the flame, as we said, you add 1 level tablespoon. And then you time for 3 minutes. You put your timer on for 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes is to allow the coffee to steep. So after 3 minutes, we are going to gently stir the coffee. Then after we stir the coffee, we sieve it in our cup. Wow. One thing you'll notice that this coffee now comes with a bit of heavy body. It may have a bit of less of acidity. So you see it is mild, sweet, and it's very mellow or thick from the mouth. So for those people who like mild coffee that doesn't have great acidity, this is a method of brewing coffee. It is very simple. It brings out a very mild coffee and sweet, and you can enjoy it like that without sugar. To enjoy the Dedan Kimathi University Premium Coffee, one thing, we never added sugar to our coffee, so you enjoy the coffee naturally as it is. That way you're able to enjoy the Dedan Kimathi University Premium Coffee. On top of that, if you'd like to add milk to our coffee, you can also add it depending on your taste. And then another point to note is that once we are brewing coffee using a Sufuria, we don't boil the coffee. In most cases, we normally say that once you boil the coffee, you make it bitter, and you're able to, in most cases, extract the bitter components of coffee, and you allow the aromas to evaporate. Once you open our packet, it has a self-sealing component. So we insist that once you open the coffee, you need to close it, because you need to retain all the aromas inside the coffee. If you don't close it well, the coffee is going to stale, and you're not going to enjoy the freshness of our coffees or the aromas and the flavors of our coffee if it is stale. When you do it for more than 3 minutes, or sometimes we normally say 3 to 5 minutes, if you do it for more than that, you're going again to do over extraction, and over extraction makes the coffee bitter. So if you want to enjoy the naturalness, limit your extraction to 3 to 5 minutes, and that way you're able to enjoy our coffee. Probably also you could also mention that we used clean water. So depending on people where they come from, it's always good to know the water that you're using to brew coffee with. Probably you use good clean water with very less minerals, because also water tends to influence the taste of the coffee. And also you make the coffee to be well presentable. So probably in a warm, good cup that you're able to enjoy. I can continue drinking this coffee for the next 20 or so minutes. So probably if you keep it now for longer, as it cools, it also tends to be slightly bitter. So limit the timing that you are drinking your coffee. And the good thing is that with the French press, it can keep it warm for almost 2 hours. If you want to add milk to coffee, there are 2 ways of doing it. One, you can brew using lesser water, and then you top hot milk on top of the coffee. Alternatively, you can boil the milk. Once you boil the milk, you switch off the flame. Once you switch off the flame, then you add coffee, and then you allow it to steep for 3 minutes. After that, you can sieve it in your cup. The Dedan Kimathi University Premium Coffee, it is sold at DeKUT's outlet here in the university. You can also get it at our Nairobi campus. Also, we are selling it in selected supermarkets. We are selling it at Nyeri supermarkets here in Nyeri. You can also get it at Nyeri supermarkets in Narumoru or in Nanyuki. We have contacts on our packages. Once you call the DeKUT is our marketing arm of the coffee. We can also deliver it to the point where you want it delivered to you. Our coffee, we are selling it at an affordable price. Remember, we are selling premium coffee, and it's premiumly priced. Currently, we are selling a packet at 400 shillings. If you buy 4 packets and above, we sell it to you at 350 shillings. That is really affordable compared to the price at the market, because if you go to the market, the same quality, it's almost going double whatever we are offering to you. So basically, you get quality at an affordable price, and that's what we are guaranteeing to you as a university.